of the memory card.
Memory card, okay.
And when you change it to camera mode, it'll tell you how many shots you can take. So 5,806 shots.
Got you. So 5,000 photos, is that what that was? Okay.
Yep.
And only 2 hours worth of video time. Is that, like, if I take photos, it's going to take away from the video time?
No.
It's separate. So once I reach 2 hours, I got to get rid of some stuff before I can.
You have to offload some.
Gotcha.
So here
What's the biggest memory card you bought?
I had, I think, 1 terabyte.
Okay. And what did that give you, like, what? 5 hours?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's not bad. Are they expensive? Yeah, because the terabyte, I got the terabyte little SD card. Hey, 47 people, how y'all doing? Right? The one I have, I can put in my iPhone, or probably this.
You might be able to. Yeah.
It doesn't look like this. It has the end, like the end of this charger and the end of this. Girl, I got it right here. I got it for Amazon. When I got this for when I was in Dubai. Girl, don't mind my bag. I got a lot going on in here. Got Carmex, got Band-Aids, you know, whenever.
My friends call me the mom of the group because my bag has everything in it.
Girl, here go. So it look like this. So either side.
Yeah, you can put
and this has a terabyte.
Yeah. So
how that work?
If you just take the
look like this, y'all.
And hopefully it don't die on us once we take the charger.
Lord. This is a storage thing I got from Amazon. This thing was like $70 for a terabyte, I want to say.
So plug it in there. Because if it's the same as the charger, yeah. So it's the menu button that'll take you to everything. This menu looks so different. I would have had like a pop-up of the Oh, it's in slow.
No. I would probably just have to transfer it to a computer and then do it.
I'm gonna look that up.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, we'll take this.
And we'll charge it back. But yeah, this was a good option because, you know, it's hard to transfer stuff from your computer, from your phone, and this helps with that.
Alright, so yeah, you want to try and shoot something?
Yeah, oh my god.
So here.
Okay.
You can try and shoot it, or if you want to.
Let's try to record us because I want to see what it looks like when you can see yourself on here while you record. So
pop your screen out.
We'll put this up here so y'all can watch us do it.
So your lens goes to 16 millimeters. So that's the farthest out that it'll go. And then you can zoom it all the way in. Where's the zoom? Is it going to go to 50?
Oh wow.
So
is that the furthest it goes?
Yeah. Okay. You want to get a closer shot. So like this. Now with mine, you can tap. Yep, there we go. Now it's tracking you. So you're gonna always be in focus.
Let's see if it does the thing. Oh, what?
Oh,
that did good.
It does.
Hold on, let's see. It's supposed to autofocus.
So autofocusing on you. So you touch on the screen.
Okay, gotcha. And that did it pretty quickly. Okay, cool.
That was good. So yeah.
So clarity-wise, I feel like it looks a little dim. Is that where the color, what do you call grading comes in?
So you want to go to like your
new camera, who this?
I'm excited.
Any of y'all got any education on setting up cameras? If so, help me out because I don't know nothing. Brianna's setting me up right now. What's your YouTube channel?
It's Brianna B.
It's Brianna B. Subscribe to her channel.
Yeah.
She is a natural hair influencer. And she has all the juice, as you can tell, when it comes to tech. So she's your girl.
So you have exposure here, which is your ISO. When you think of exposure, you think ISO. And so I believe
We're gonna figure it out.